Yeah, man. This is the Dagan Soro. Marachuga in the house. Kapuku Digit in the house. Wow.
This is the Joyride with the Rainbow Goddess, the Rainbow Goddess.
This is the Joyride with the Rainbow Goddess, the Rainbow Goddess.
Hello! And welcome back to another episode of Joyride with the Rainbow Goddess. I'm Itzel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make edible Play-Doh. Yay! Now, when I think about when I was a kid, like my favorite thing to play was restaurant, and I would always mold the Play-Doh into like little food like burgers or pizzas, or I would make little things for my Barbies, and I really wish that I could eat it. So this Play-Doh is not going to taste salty and weird. It is actually made of a lot of really amazing things. So it's not only going to taste good and look cute and be fun to play with, but it's also going to be quite nutritious. Yay! And the reason we want things to be nutritious is so we can grow up big and strong, and we can have like beautiful light bodies and feel lots of energy and be able to do anything that we want to physically, like climb a mountain or fly. Okay, this one won't make you fly. And we'll get to all the magical ingredients when we get to the kitchen. Step 1, you're going to mix your dry ingredients.
This superfood blend uses organic cornstarch, almond flour, oat flour, chia meal, and a touch of salt. Be sure to look at my description below for the full recipe and flavor variations.
Step 2, mix in your wet ingredients. Simply add hot applesauce and organic coconut oil. Now we're gonna give this a little bit of a whisk, and then once it's kind of like more incorporated, we're gonna switch to a spatula. And if your dough seems a little bit too wet, you can add more cornstarch to it. I didn't measure the applesauce exactly because I was doing it with tablespoons, so that can also happen when kids are measuring it. So if so, then just add some more cornstarch. And I think a great judge of if it's ready or not is if you press into it and it doesn't come off on your finger. And the final step, add your colors. Okay, so now I'm going to split it into a few bowls to put my coloring in. And before I get going with those bowls, I'm going to pour a tiny bit of oil into each bowl and add my superfood dyes: turmeric, butterfly pea, spirulina, and beet juice. And now I'm going to use the silicone spatula, fold it into it, and you see how the color doesn't really like stick to the rubber spatula too? Okay, so time to play. Ooh, I mean, jelly crusty burger. And now we're gonna try it. I feel like I really do get like different layers of flavors because the color in each one like really did flavor it different, and it's got like a light sweet taste. It tastes kind of like I'm just eating oatmeal. It almost tastes like slightly fruity for some reason. Oh, I guess because of the apple. Yeah. This is John. He likes to go surfing, and he wishes to pass on to the other side by being eaten by a giant.
Make sure to check out my description below to get the full recipe, how to interchange ingredients, and all the nutritional facts about this wonderful mix.
thank you so much for watching. I'd love to hear what you think about my first kids show down in the comments. Or of course, if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can go ahead and do that now. I will put up more videos in the future, and the only way you're gonna know when I put up those videos is if you subscribe to my channel and you turn on your notifications. See you next time. Have a healthy, happy life. Yeah.